it is going to be a requirement shortly for all our citizens to return to wearing their masks. As you know, we are in the fifth wave, and it will be a continuing feature of life going forward.
This is the ORAP. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says mandatory mask wearing will return shortly in the wake of the fifth wave of COVID-19. He served the warning Friday while speaking at the handing over ceremony of a house under the new social housing program in Latium, St. James. Minister of Health and Wellness Dr. Christopher Tufton made the official announcement this week that Jamaica has entered a fifth wave of the pandemic, which has already started to affect institutions, with at least 6 high schools reverting to online learning for some students. The Education Ministry on Thursday sent out a bulletin to schools mandating wearing of masks with immediate effect. Mourners poured into the Ranny Williams Entertainment Center on Friday to celebrate the life of late Mighty Diamond's lead singer, Donald Tabby Diamond Shaw. The 2.5-hour-long event was a grand affair with several of Jamaica's reggae ambassadors exalting the music stalwart in songs in a concert-like but somber atmosphere. Musical tributes were delivered by Judge Diamond, the lone surviving original member of the Mighty Diamonds, Carleen Davis, Leroy Sibbles, Dwayne Stevenson, Dean Fraser, Bunker Herman, and Josie Wales, among others. Tabby Diamond was shot and killed by gunmen in Olympic Gardens, St. Andrew, on March 29. He was 67 years old. Councillor for the Montego Bay Northeast Division of the St. James Municipal Corporation, Senator Charles Sinclair, is appealing to operators of trucks and other large, heavy-duty vehicles to ensure that proper arrangements are made to immediately remove their motor vehicles in the event they become disabled along roadways. Sinclair's appeal comes against the background of a motor vehicle crash along the Elegant Corridor in the Flanker vicinity on Wednesday, which claimed the life of 37-year-old tour operator Ricardo Edwards, a resident of Flanker in St. James. Edwards died as a result of injuries he received when his car ran under a flatbed truck which was parked along the thoroughfare and which had no reflectors on it. And in international news, UK health officials said on Friday there had been 11 more confirmed cases of the rare monkeypox virus in the country, taking the toll to 20. The announcement came as France, Belgium, and Germany reported their first cases of monkeypox, and Italy confirmed it now had 3 linked cases of the disease, which is endemic in parts of Africa. Cases of monkeypox have also been detected in Portugal, Spain, and Sweden, as well as in the United States and Canada, leading to fears that the disease, which is normally concentrated in Central and West Africa, may be spreading. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.